The project execution plan. Depending on the size of the project plans will be drafted and become more and more accurate over time. At the earliest conceptual phase of the project, some companies ask for a project initiation note. When the project becomes more detailed, a project implementation plan might be required. A project execution plan is required when the decision is taken to construct the project. Although it seems like these plans are slightly different, they are in fact one plan, the project plan, which evolves in time. A project plan can be defined in different ways, but in this course we talk about a project execution plan. This plan is a formal approved document used to guide both project execution and project control. The primary uses of the project execution plan are to document planning assumptions and decisions over time, facilitate communication among stakeholders, and document the approved scope, the cost, and schedule the baselines. A project execution plan may be written as a high-level summary or a very detailed document. This depends on the phase, the size, and the complexity of the project. In general, a project execution plan must address the basic questions about the project. Why? What is the problem and which value proposition are being addressed by the project? Why is it sponsored? What? What are the activities which could be carried out in the project? And what are the major products and deliverables? Who? Who will be involved? What will be their responsibilities within the project and how will they be organized? When? What is the project's timeline? When will the particularly meaningful points referred to as milestones be completed? And when will the project be delivered? The project execution plan is not only to show your client that you are in total control of this project, but it's also for you to know, as a team, when to focus on what to deliver the project as agreed. We provide you with a template that can be used as a guideline for the drafting of the project execution plan. The template contains the high-level attention areas. Depending on the type of project, other sections might be included and a higher level of detail may be required. The project execution plan starts with a brief sketch of the project context in the introduction part. Next, the objective of the project is presented, followed by the opportunity statement. In a detailed scope of work, it is defined what is and what is not part of the project. How to care about health, safety, and environmental is described next. The project organization and governance and the selected contracting strategy are addressed. A risk register is part of the PEP, followed by the cost and schedule estimates. A link to the business case is made in the economical evaluation section, and the project management approach is detailed and attention is paid to project control and progress reporting. Finally, the project execution plan describes how to evaluate and make sure that the lessons learned are captured and exploited. The project execution plan is the document that gets your project approved by the executive board of your company and is a lifeline of your team to be in control of your project. So, it better be good, sharp, short, interesting, to the point and usable during the execution of your project.